TV is changing fast. IPTV is taking over the entertainment world, and by 2025, it's projected to hit $189 billion globally. Forget cable. IPTV streams TV through the internet, giving users access to live shows, on-demand content, and global channels, anytime, anywhere. Asia-Pacific leads with over 105 million users, while North America dominates revenue. By 2026, China alone could have 226 million IPTV subscribers. Powered by 5G and new video codecs, streaming is now faster, sharper, and smoother. 4K is the standard, 8K is on the rise, and with AI personalization, no two viewers get the same experience. Your IPTV feed knows exactly what you want to watch next. Modern smart TVs come ready with IPTV built in. No extra boxes, no hassle. Live sports? Crystal clear. Voice commands, fully integrated. IPTV is now part of the smart home ecosystem. Emerging markets are next. With mobile access and affordable plans, billions are just getting started. From verified apps to free ad-supported models, IPTV offers flexibility for every budget and setup. It's not just TV. IPTV is a reimagined experience. Interactive, intelligent, and unstoppable. Stay tuned for more and subscribe to never miss a tech beat.